It's just great.
There we go.
Good morning.
Hello.
The Honorable Judge Sean B. Perkins is presiding. While Zoom is in session, there will be no driving, no inappropriate appearance of any kind, no head wraps unless they represent religious purpose, no hoodies, no smoking, and no speaking while the judge is speaking. Please take heed to the instructions. Court is in session.
All right, good morning, everyone. We're gonna try to do the best we can to get you out as fast and efficiently as possible, and we're gonna try to get you out in the order that you came in. Now, this is this, are we ready, Ms. Williams Law?
Yes, Judge.
This is the City of Detroit versus Kristen Amos Lawler, case number SP 1748430, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1768992, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, sir.
Christopher.
All right, where is Mr. Lawrence?
Right here.
Are you driving, sir?
Yes,
you
sir.
are. And I can't understand why you can't pay attention. Now, I tried to put you first, now I'm putting you out.
Work for important service. I try to come in.
Go to the service, I'm putting you out. On the telephone at 313-624-7193. Good morning to you. What is your name, please?
Fred, good night.
Somebody's talking. Mute your devices, please. Fred,
Excuse me?
Gnida?
Yes.
You said Fred Gnida?
Yes, GNIDA.
Okay, good morning to you, Mr. Gnida.
Morning.
All right. This is the City of Detroit versus Hassim Mohammed Balawi. Case numbers SP 162-30831, SP 166-74191. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name.
Hassim
Frederick
Mohammed Balawi.
I don't understand. Good morning to you. I guess you keep getting your tickets out of the fourth precinct. I don't understand why he keeps coming to me, Mr. Berry, but he has many other tickets sitting here that's affecting his ability to get a license. Just get him an offer on these. Mr. Balawi, Mr. Berry's going to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. We'll put you in a breakout room with him. Let us know what you want to do when you come out. Join the room, we'll pass the matter.
Your Honor, where does he appear on the docket?
First name 835. He has a
yes.
license proper and driving license suspended.
All right, thank you.
You're welcome. All right, Ms. Harris, are you ready?
Ready, Your Honor.
City of Detroit versus Janice Goolson, case number SP 1738259, counts 1 and counts 2, SP 176806001. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Cherika Harris, P72832 on behalf of Ms. Goolson. Ms. Goolson, please state your name for the record. I'm sending you a prompt to unmute.
Janice Goolson.
All right, good morning to you, ma'am. Today is the date and time set for a pretrial. My understanding you have valid documents. Is that correct, Ms.
That's correct, Your Honor.
Ms. Goolson? I'm going to dismiss the cases for providing valid documentation. If there's nothing further, have a very good day and best of luck to you.
You as well. Thank you, sir.
Thank you. City of Detroit versus Martin Garcia. Strike that. This is the state of Michigan versus Martin Garcia. Case number SX4548656, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Sherika Harris, on behalf of Mr. Garcia, please state your name for the record.
Martin Garcia.
Turn your camera on, sir, please.
Okay.
Good morning to you. Day is date and time set for a pretrial. Ms. Berry, strike that. Ms. Harris, get Mr. Garcia an updated offer. If you don't like the offer, sir, keep in mind you have an absolute right to a trial. I'm going to put you in a breakout room with Ms. Harris. Let us know what you want to do.
Okay. Thank you.
Go in the room. Let's pass the matter. Get Mr. Whitey in here, please. Officer is here. His client is here. Can we get the city attorney in here, please? All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Garcia. Mr. Garcia, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
Your Honor, we are requesting a trial date.
Mr. Garcia, I'm going to give you a trial date for October the 21st, 2025 at 9 a.m. If there's nothing further, sir, I wish you the best of luck. Have a very good rest of your day.
Okay. Thank you. I'm sorry. Can you repeat that again for I could write it down?
October 21st, 2025 at 9 a.m.
Okay. Thank you.
This is the city of Detroit versus Germaine Jesse Love, case number SP 176-88831. Appearance for the record, please.
Sherika Harris, on behalf of Mr. Love. Mr. Love, please state your name.
Germaine Jesse Love.
Good morning to you, Mr. Love.
Good morning. Good morning,
the time set for a pretrial. Mr. Love, we'll put you in a breakout room with Ms. Harris. Ms. Harris is going to give you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Ms. Harris, I do not see that there was any appointed attorney requested. All right. Join the room, Mr. Love. You let us know what you want to do when you come out, okay?
Thank you.
Your Honor, is there an original ticket in the file?
It is a original ticket in the file. The ticket reads, consuming alcohol in public, observed male consuming alcohol in public, platinum vodka.
Thank you.
I imagine that's the good stuff, huh? It's got platinum on it. Do you like platinum vodka? I wouldn't know. My drinking days are over.
I don't drink like that anymore because I'm here too much, but every now and then you gotta let loose on a day.
I'm not mad at you.
Appreciate it, brother. So you have a good one, Your Honor. I just had to clear out my subpoena for that case we had yesterday.
Very good. Be safe.
Yep, you as well.
See you soon.
You say,
Yep, you too.
Hello?
Mr. Gilbert, good morning to you. Sit tight. You're in line, sir. I'm just taking them in the order that they came in, all right? So far, you are last. Good morning to you. Take your hat off, sir.
Okay. All right. Bye. This is the city attorney's office.
All right, we're just waiting on a lawyer.
Hello, is somebody there? Can you hear me?
I can hear you. Good morning to you. You're still waiting, sir. We're taking them in the order that they came in.
Okay, thank you.
You will.
I'm giving you an officer, counsel, right? Texting me to. I tried to text him.
Morning, Your Honor.
Good morning to you, Officer Perkins.
to tell him to come on Zoom.
Yeah, tell me it's only. Yeah, just tell me it's only. 8365028.
Yes.
Mr. Love,
Yes, sir.
you were supposed to be here yesterday. Mr. Brandon, no, I'm sorry. This is Mr. Brandon Love. All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Jeremy Love. Mr. Love, is my understanding you want an appointed attorney?
Yes, it's Germaine, love.
Germaine, I'm sorry. Attorney. What I'm gonna ask of you is to, Ollie, mute yourself. What I'm gonna ask of you is to, answer the calls you don't recognize. One of those calls should be that appointed attorney. If you don't hear from that appointed attorney, by the next court date, we want to point it to you on the spot, okay?
I can barely hear you, sir.
I'm sorry. I said, I'm gonna ask of you to answer the calls you don't recognize.
Okay, no problem.
One of those calls should be that appointed attorney. Good morning, Ms. Warren.
Good morning,
Okay.
Judge.
If you don't hear from that appointed attorney by the next court date, then we're gonna get one appointed to you on the spot. Your next court date is gonna be October 16th, 2025 at 8:30. If you don't have any further questions, sir, I wish you the best of luck.
You
Have a
said
very good rest of your day.
10:16 at 9 o'clock?
10:16 at 8:30.
8:30, okay.
All right, have a good day. Best of luck to you.
Thank you. 10:16, 8:30.
Did you just,
Thank you.
did you need to address anything with me? Madam Clerk was asking. Okay, we good?
Thank you.
Okay.
Let's cut off for officers for formal hearings. There's only see one, and that individual has to show. Let's call the city of Detroit versus Renee Linton. Case number SP 172142991. Appearance for the record, please.
Cherika Harris, on behalf of Ms. Lindsay, please state your name for the record.
Linton.
Dewana
Linton.
Linton. You say my whole, you said the middle name too? Dewana Linton?
Yes, good morning to you, ma'am.
Good morning.
Today is the date and time set for arraignment on the bench warrant. Go ahead, Counsel.
For purposes of arraignment, my client stands mute.
We'll enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf and give your client a $0 bond. Ms. Linton, I'm going to put you in the breakout room with Ms. Harris. She's going to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. This is a case that's on the bench warrant for that was set for trial that Ms. Linton missed. Can't miss court dates again, ma'am. Put a
I know, I'm
cash bond.
sorry.
Yeah, put a cash bond on you if you miss the court date again, all right? I'm gonna put you in a
Okay.
break. Ms. Harris, she's gonna get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial.
Okay.
Let's pass the matter. Let's go back on the record, Mr. Balawi. Mr. Balawi, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what your client want to do?
Your Honor, my client would avail himself of the people's offer to enter a plea to allowing the other matter to be dismissed.
Patient, but I'm still fighting this case that's gonna put me on probation.
No, I'm done. I'm passing it. All right, Green, it's not as important to you, Mr. Balawi, to put other matters aside while you're here. We're just gonna go on to the next person.
Her name is Tamika.
Patricia Ann Green, are you there now? Patricia Ann Green.
Hello.
Turn your camera on, please. Good morning.
Good morning.
And this is the city of Detroit versus Patricia Ann Green. Case number is SP 1762200, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1762201. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Ms. Green.
Patricia Ann Green.
Your Honor, for purposes of arraignment, my client would stand mute.
I'm gonna enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. I'm gonna give your client a $0 bond. Your client owes, your client owes other matters with the court that have never been settled up.
I have them right here, Your Honor.
Well, I mean, that's not doing anything for me, ma'am. That I'm gonna bring you back down to the original.
I can't show you a picture of
I'm
my
talking
payment.
about I'm talking about matters that you owe. I'm talking about matters that you haven't paid.
Yes, I have it right here. How do I do? I don't know how do I show you?
Speak to Mr. Berry in a breakout room. And,
okay.
I don't know what you're saying about having it right here, but
I have my payments right here. You told me to pay 288 tickets at Frank 36 district and to get on a payment plan. I got on a payment plan. I paid $75 down. I supposed to pay $50 a month starting when they took the 75 for September. Next payment is October.
I don't know why those 288s have not gotten, because they haven't gotten to the payment plan for some reason. So those are still left outside of the payment plan. So Mr. Berry, it reads that, and I'm bringing you back down to, instead of 288, I'm gonna bring you back down to the 240 that was initially agreed upon. That was a late fee on there. So for some reason, they didn't incorporate the 3 288s in that payment plan. But you got some new issues as well. So Mr. Berry, speak to Ms. Green in the breakout room. We'll sort the things out about the payment plan. He's gonna talk to you about the new stuff, ma'am, and he's gonna get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Join the room, that's the matter.
Good morning, Your Honor. Did you call it Ted Gloucester already?
No,
okay.
I didn't.
Okay,
Good morning to you.
Said be here soon. Who's that? Mr. White, Frank White.
Ted Gloucester, you missed your day yesterday.
I got a card that said to come in today in the mail. I was kind of confused because I was hearing the case. My tickets got dismissed because I showed evidence of documentation.
I can't talk to you without seeing you, sir.
Oh, sorry about that. Wait.
All right, we'll sort it out when I call your name.
Okay.
Good morning to you.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning, Officer Tyson. Good morning to all the officers that I let in the room.
Good morning.
What about Derek Griffin? Where are you, sir? Oh, Derek,
I'm here,
Lamar.
sir.
All right, good morning to you. I just want to know, is your middle name Lamar?
Yes, sir.
All right. Good morning.
Good morning.
Run his license, please.
Some kind of Zoom. I'll be back now. You want me to move? Where to? Out there?
I need you to mute yourself, please. On the telephones, I'm gonna mute you. When I call your name, press *6 to unmute yourself. On the Wing Tech device, good morning to you. Can you unmute yourself and state your name, please?
Derek Griffin.
No, not you, Mr. Griffin. Take your headgear off. It's not for religious purposes. Is that Griffin on the Wing Tech device, the young lady? Is that? What is your name, ma'am?
Deja Lacy.
Deja. Say that last name again, please.
Lacy.
Lacy?
Lacy, Judge.
Lacy?
She's the second right under date.
Deja Jeanette Lacy. Good morning to you.
Good morning.
All right, let's go back on the record with Ms. Green. Mr. Berry, were you able to sort things out for Ms. Green?
As to the current charges, Your Honor, we seek a bench trial date so that she might return with documents.
I'm gonna set a trial and a review date, Ms. Green, for trials for the newer cases, and the review date is for the cases that did not get included on the payment plan. I do see that you were in payment plan on other things, so you have to address that. Come back on October 21st, 2025 at 9 a.m. If you don't have anything further, Ms. Green, I wish you the best of luck. Have a very good rest of your day, okay?
Thank you. Guys, too.
Thank you. This is the state of Michigan versus Lamar Griffin, case number SX 4578419, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please. Mr. Berry.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Griffin.
Lamar Griffin.
All right, good morning to you, sir. Today is date and time set for a pre-trial. Put you in the breakout room with Mr. Berry. He's going to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial, okay? Join the room, we'll pass the matter. Ms. Harris, let's go back on the record with Ms. Linton. Ms. Linton, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, we are requesting a trial date.
All right, Ms. Linton, I'm going to give you a trial date for October the 21st,
Okay, October 21st.
2025 at 9 a.m. Nothing further, ma'am. I wish you the best of luck. Have a very good rest of your day.
Thank you. So the 21st, okay.
Yes, the 21st of October. This is the city of, pardon me.
I said thank you.
You're welcome. Have a great day. City of Detroit versus Sahara, Torres, Guzman, case number SP 176918991. Appearance for the record, please.
Sherika Harris on behalf of Ms. Guzman, please state your name for the record.
Sahara J. Torres Guzman.
Sahara, I'm sorry. Good morning to you, ma'am. Today is the date and time set for a pre-trial. Put you in a breakout room with Ms. Harris. She's going to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Join the room. Let us know what you want to do when you come out, okay?
Your Honor, was an attorney requested?
No. Let's pass the matter.
Okay, good morning again, Your Honor. Thank you.
Good morning on the telephone, 741-8544. Good morning to you. What is your name, please?
D'Angelo Graham.
Telephone, D'Angelo Graham.
Yes.
That's at the 8544 number?
Yes.
All right, good morning to you, Mr. Graham.
Good morning.
Can I get a second before we go to the next case really quickly?
Yes.
Thank you.
Not guilty in the shooting and killing of 50-year-old United Healthcare CEO and father of two, Brian Thompson, last December. Today, Mangione could learn which prosecutor will face first. And every other.
Your Honor, I got a quick question.
All right, miss.
Was I supposed to be here yesterday too? Because I have a card saying the 16th. I was supposed to be here today.
I guess if you were supposed to be, if you have a card that says today, it seems like you would have to be here today. Garfield. Why would you think that you would, whether you were supposed to be here today?
Okay. I'm just asking. Thank you.
That's absolutely right. We're seeing a very public search war here, and we don't know the outcome. I suspect that a large portion of the hearings will be dedicated to this timeline. Mangione hearing comes days after the assassination of conservative activist.
You have documentation, Mr. Garfield?
No, sir.
Chelsea, can you unmute yourself, start your camera, and state your name, please? Full name.
Chelsea Loman.
Chelsea who?
Loman.
Loman, all right, Miss Loman, I don't know if you're driving, but there's no driving in court, okay?
No, I'm not driving. I'm in the car. I had someone working in the house.
Good morning to you. He said Loman. It's on the side. All right, let's go back on the record with Ms. Guzman. Ms. Guzman, I'll give you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, we are respectfully requesting the appointment of counsel.
All right, Ms. Guzman, what I'm going to ask of you is to answer the calls you don't recognize. One of those calls should be that appointed attorney. If you don't hear from that appointed attorney by your next court date, we're going to get one appointed to you on the spot, okay?
Okay.
Court date October 16, 2025 at 8:30. If you don't have any further questions, ma'am, I wish you the best of luck for the very rest of your day.
October 16, 8:30.
Yes.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
This is the city of Detroit versus Tardell, Garfield, case number SB 1764083, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Daryl Garfield.
Sherika Harris on behalf of Mr. Your Honor, I think the court reporter was trying to get your attention.
Oh my goodness.
Can just.
We have to do Guzman over.
If we just gave her, did you just gave her a new date?
October 16th, appointed her an attorney.
All right, I'll notate that, and we just get this next one on.
All right. This is the city of Detroit versus Tardell, Garfield, case number SB 1764083, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Sherika Harris on behalf of Mr. Garfield. Mr. Garfield, please state your name for the record.
To Daryl Garfield.
All right, good morning to you, sir. Today is the time set a trial. I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with Ms. Harris. She's gonna get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial, okay?
Okay.
Join the room, let us know what you wanna do when you come out. It's past the matter. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Griffin. Mr. Griffin, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, my client would avail himself of the people's offer to enter a plea to limited access 1 to 5 and dismissal of the no operator's license on person.
You want to take the deal, sir?
Yes, sir.
Stipulate to the face of the ticket as an active factual basis for that responsible plea.
So stipulated, Your Honor.
Stipulate the probable cause for the dismissal of the other matter.
Yes, Your Honor, so stipulated.
And you do understand that this is going to abstract to your driving record and it's going to probably further push you back on that revoke. You understand that, sir?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. With that stipulation, I'm going to find your client responsible for the admitted count of limited access 1 to 5, $125. When can you pay it?
I can pay today, Your Honor.
Get it in here by at least Friday, sir. I'll give you some time. I'll pay it in div that kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload div that app to your phone, or you can come on down to the courthouse and pay it in person. Those are the two best ways that I can tell you to pay it. If it's nothing further, Mr. Griffin, I wish you the best of luck and have a very good rest of your day.
I really appreciate you, Your Honor.
Well, is Officer Ware here? Is Officer Ware? We have a few more minutes, Mr. Gray, Lanel Gray. We'll call yours in a second. Latoya Laneir, are you there, ma'am?
Yes.
Good morning to you.
Good morning. And it's pronounced Lotia.
I'm sorry, Latoya, I'm sorry. City of Detroit versus Latoya Stephanie Laneir, case number SP 1766. 8601. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Ms. Laneir.
It is Lotia Stephanie Laneir.
Good morning to you, ma'am. Today is date and time set for a pre-trial. Ms. Laneir, Mr. Berry is going to try to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. I'm going to put you in a breakout room with him. Let us know what you want to do when you come out, okay?
Okay.
Join the room. We'll pass the matter. This is the city of Detroit versus I'm waiting on this attorney to connect. Officer Baxter, are you there? Good morning, Mr. Gaskins.
Hello, how you doing, Mr. Judge Perkins?
Very well. Gilbert, you replace your hat for your hoodie. What's the point? Christian Gilbert.
It's 327. It's 360. Excuse me.
Mr. Bachman, are you ready on anyone?
Okay, I'll do that.
Who's that?
No, he asked for the Zoom like number. I gave the first three numbers and he said, okay, I'm good. I don't know, I can't remember his name, but I'm laughing.
All right, this is City of Detroit versus Frank Leno Lacy Jr. Case number SP 1766924, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Justin Zay, PA 1051 on behalf of Mr. Lacy.
All right, good morning to you. Day is date and time set for a formal hearing. Your client's present, sir.
Your Honor, if I could waive his presence.
You're a retained counsel and have the authority to enter into any agreement on
I
his
do.
behalf?
Yes, Your
Very
Honor.
well, I'll waive the client's presence. I'm gonna put you in breakout room 4. Speak to Mrs. Horn. Officer Backstresser did appear.
Okay.
Oh, I'm sorry. I messed that up. All right. Jay Ware, is Officer Jay Ware here? Say that again.
Garrison.
Garrison's here.
Vargas.
All right, that's it for officers. City of Detroit versus Lanel Lawrence Gray, case numbers SP 1747223, counts 1 and counts 2. Mr. Gray, state your name for the record, please. Unmute yourself, press star 6 to unmute yourself, please. Star 6 to unmute yourself, Mr. Gray.
Hello?
Yes, good morning. State your name, Mr. Gray.
Lanel Gray.
Good morning to you. Is there Officer Jay Ware? Officer Jay Ware, hearing no response on the court's own motion, I'm going to dismiss the case for no off. Oh, yeah, she's here. Wait a minute. I won't. Let me give you an opportunity to speak to an attorney. Hold on one second. All right, give me a few minutes, Mr. Ware. I'm gonna mute you again, all right? Ready, Mr. Berry?
Ready, Your Honor.
Now let's go back on the record with Ms. Laneir. Ms. Laneir, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, we require a trial and the appointment of counsel.
All right, Ms. Laneir, I'm gonna need a telephone number so I can have that attorney contact you.
313-925-4981.
All right, I'm gonna ask you to answer the calls you don't recognize. One of those calls should be that appointed attorney. If you don't hear from that appointed attorney by October the 16th, your next court date, that's at 8:30, then we'll get one appointed to you on the spot. Ms. Laneir, if you don't have any further questions, you have a very good day and best of luck to you, okay?
Thank you.
Let's recall the city of Detroit versus Lanel Lawrence Gray, Mr. Berry. Case number SP 1747223, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Gray.
Press star 6 to unmute yourself again, Mr. Gray, please. He stated his name for the record. Press star 6 to unmute yourself, Mr. Gray. Okay, he did. Mr. Gray, I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with Mr. Berry. Officer Ware, good morning to you. Can you state your name, badge number, and department for the record, please?
Good morning, sir. Officer Ware, badge 4353.
All right, you're gonna have to turn your camera on, Officer Ware. Good morning to you. Officer Ware, are you there?
Yes.
All right, state your name, badge number, and department for the record, please.
Officer Ware, badge 4353. Detroit Police Department.
All right, day is date and time set for a trial. I'm gonna put you in a breakout room, Mr. Gray. Speak to Mr. Berry, see if he can work it out for you. If you don't like the offer, today is the date and time set for the trial. Join the room. Mr. Berry's in there.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome. Mr. Kaufman, are you ready on anyone?
We're ready on Christopher Lapointe.
I don't know why, I thought we dealt with LaPointe the other day, right? I don't know,
Yeah.
I don't think I see LaPointe on the docket, unless I'm overlooking it.
Yeah, and I'm curious because he came in this morning. I believe he's on the docket for tomorrow. But since he's here now, he's just informed the court he's having an audio issue, a visual issue. Can we just come back in the morning?
He's on the trial, Warren, his trial is October 16th.
Okay.
I've told him that before, October 16th. I told him that the other day.
Well, we'll take that date and with your
At
permission.
9 a.m., Mr. Point.
I have it in my calendar for that date and time.
9 a.m.
October 16th, next month.
Okay, I don't have
9 a.m.
the letter, but okay.
I told you that the other day when you came into court.
I do have a letter that says I have court today.
Do you have your address? Is it updated down here?
Yeah, 1277.
You kept asking me about the same thing. I kept telling you the same thing the other day. I have an Irene Drive in Detroit.
Yeah. Yeah.
Right? It's the 16th.
Okay.
Understood.
Disregard any other notices that you get. It's 16th of October at 9 a.m.
Thank you.
All right, best of luck to you.
Thank you.
All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Lacy. Mr. Counselor for Lacy, have you worked it out?
Yes, Your Honor.
What's going to be the resolution?
So on both cases, Your Honor, they're going to be reduced to blockading. So 2 counts of blockading, 1 on each case number.
Stipulate to the faces of the ticket as an accurate factual basis.
Yes, Your
Honor.
Yes, Your
Stipulate the cover. Okay. With those stipulations, I'm gonna find your client responsible as to the amended counts of blocking traffic on both case numbers, counts 1 and counts 2, $175 a piece. I will give your client until October the 7th to get it paid.
Understood. Thank you very much, Your Honor.
Best of luck to you.
Thanks.
Let's go back on the record with Mr. Garfield. Mr. Garfield, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, my client is going to admit responsibility to defective brake lights. With the no insurance matter being dismissed, we stipulate to the face of the ticket for purposes of the factual basis and stipulate to probable cause for the dismissal.
With those, do you want to take the deal, Mr. Garfield?
Yes, Your Honor.
With those stipulations, I'll find your client responsible as to the charge of improper equipment, $120. Dismiss the other matter. When can you pay it, Mr. Garfield?
2 weeks, Your Honor.
Pay it by October the 7th, 2025. Pay it at any DivDac kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload the DivDac app to your phone, or you can come on down to the courthouse and pay it in person. Those are the 2 best ways I can tell you to pay it. If you don't have anything further, sir, I wish you the best of luck. Have a very good rest of your day.
All right, thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome. This is the city of Detroit versus Kristen Livingston, case number SB 1746755, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Sherika Harris, on behalf of defendant Livingston, please state your name for the record.
Kristen Livingston.
All right, good morning to you, ma'am. Today is the date and time set for pre-trial. We'll put you in the breakout room with Ms. Harris. She's going to get you an updated offer. Keep it. If you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial.
Okay.
Join the room. Let us know what you want to do when you come out, please.
Okay.
Excuse me, Your Honor. Should I still wait here or should I wait for,
If you want to be heard.
okay, all right, just making sure.
Mr. Rosario, are you ready on Lopez?
Yes, Judge.
City of Detroit versus Nicole Lopez, case number SP 172-18651. Appearance for the record, please.
Frank Materia, P 87848 on behalf of Miss Lopez. Miss Lopez, please unmute yourself and state your name for the record.
Nicole Lopez.
Good morning to you, ma'am. Is
Good
there
morning.
Officer Kearns? Officer Kearns, good morning to you. Can you state your name, badge number, department for the record, please? He is in the room. Have you worked it out?
Judge, it's my understanding after talking to Attorney Horn that there's a lack of recollection, so the city would be dismissing.
Officer Kearns, good morning to you. State your name, badge number, and department for the record, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Officer Kearns, badge number 3087, Detroit Police Department.
This is a no recollection.
That's correct, sir.
In this case, no recollection. If there's nothing further, have a very good day. Best of luck to you all. Be safe out there, Officer Kearns.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you, Judge. Have a good day.
Next time, Officer Kearns, if there's a no recollection, you as well. If there's a no recollection, just let me know. You don't have to wait.
Yes, sir. My apologies.
Sorry. Mr. Soroki, you have anybody else, Counselor?
That's all I had for you, Judge.
Was that the Whitey one? Yeah, okay, very well. Have a good day. Best of luck to you.
You as well, Judge.
Thank you. Have a good day, Judge.
You as well. Mr. Soroki, who's your client?
Brandon Love, he was supposed to be here yesterday. KPS, he's here today. I'll see if I can take care of him and, resolve or move the matter forward if the court likes, or he.
All right. Let's go back on the record with Livingston. Ms. Livingston, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, if the court will, we are requesting another pre-trial date. She did indicate a valid license. She's just having difficulty putting her hands on her other documents at this moment.
This is the second time.
Or a trial date, if that's better for the.
Trial date, October the 16th, 2025 at 8:30, all right? There's nothing further, Ms. Livingston. Have a very good day. Best of luck to you.
I couldn't hear anything. I'm sorry.
Pre-trial, October 16th, 2025 at 9 a.m. Best of luck to you. Have a very good rest of your day.
Thank you.
Ms. Harris, this is the city of Detroit versus Darlene Garrett, case number SP 174-3479, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Cherica Harris, on behalf of defendant Garrett, please state your name for the record.
Daryl and Garrett.
Daryl, again, I'm sorry. Ms. Garrett, turn your camera on, please.
Oh. I was on. I don't know.
Tyson is here. Ms. Harris, put Ms. Garrett in the breakout room. Ms. Garrett, Ms. Harris is gonna try to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Officer Tyson, can you state your name? Good morning to you. Can you state your name, badge number, and department for the record, please?
Police Officer Tyson, badge number 987, with the Detroit Police Department.
Very well. All right, I'm gonna put you in a breakout room, Ms. Garrett, and speak to Ms. Harris. Today is the date and time set for the trial. Pass the matter.
Yes, Your Honor.
Yes. I'm sorry.
That's,
I didn't know
I
that.
figured that's how you know.
All right. Love, Brandon Love. Can you get that file?
If you could put me in a breakout room with him, Your Honor, and I can talk to the prosecutor, see if we can resolve. If not, we'll set it for trial.
He was here, supposed to be here yesterday. Join the room, Mr. Love. Wait on Mr. Soroki to come speak with you, all right? He's in 6.
Thank you. Let me see who's.
What's it? What
Mr. Blau, Mr. Blau, if you
Yes,
say
sir.
one more thing, if you interrupt my court one more time, you're getting put out, you're not getting put back in, you're coming in person. Are we ready, Mr. Boffman?
Ready, Your Honor.
City of Detroit versus Willie Goins, case numbers SP 12102531, SP 1262540, counts 1 and counts 2, and count 3, SP 14164111, U7 1875125, 18477549, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning, Harry Bachman, P55052 for the defendant. Would you, sir, state your full and complete name?
Willie Anthony Goins.
Your full name.
Willie Anthony Goins.
Thank you kindly, Judge. The defendant is advised and ready. He's going to plead guilty according to a recommendation from the prosecutor. If and when he pleads guilty to count ending in 5201, wherein the defendant is charged with giving false information or ID to a police officer, the balance of the matters announced by this court for trial today will be dismissed. He's ready to give you a factual basis to accept his plea.
You said 5201. I don't see that on the docket.
Yeah, I have that one wrong, Your Honor. I believe it is actually 4111.
Is Officer Kiskus here? Yes, Sergeant, yes. And it's a 3-month delayed sentence?
12-month.
12-month delayed. Officer Kiskus, if I'm pronouncing it wrong, I apologize. Sergeant Kiskus, morning to you.
Morning.
State your name, that department for the record, please.
Sergeant Cusis, badge S375, Detroit Police Department, 2nd Precinct.
All right, good morning to you. You want to take the deal, Mr. Goins?
Yes, Your Honor.
Raise your right hand, please. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, whole truth, nothing but the truth?
Yes, I do.
You can put your hand down. Do you understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes, Your Honor.
Mr. Bachman went over your other advice or rights in the breakout room, did he not?
Yes, he did.
You understood those rights?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you have any questions about those rights?
No.
And you know by taking the deal, you're going to give those rights up?
Yes, sir.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No, Your Honor.
All right, let me draw your attention back to December the 28th, 2022 at around 11:48 p.m. in the city of Detroit in the area of Joy and on Robson Street. Did you have an occasion on that day to come in contact with the Detroit Police Department? Robson?
Yes.
Were you operating, did the officer, and that contact with that officer, I don't have a ticket here in front of me, Mr. Hoffman. Do you want to voir dire your client?
I will. Mr. Goins, you understand the allegations in the complaint and warrant against you, is that right?
Yes.
And you will admit that you were in the city of Detroit on the date and time indicated in that complaint that we reviewed together?
Yes.
And you at some point on that date and time were contacted by the officer, the good sergeant who and now appears for your trial in this matter. Is that right? Is that yes?
Yes. Yes, sir.
And on that date and time, sir, isn't it true that you gave that officer false information with respect to an investigation that was being conducted?
Yes.
I'm satisfied with the factual basis, Your Honor.
The court is satisfied. I'm gonna find your client guilty as charged and fine him $240. The review date will be September the 19th of 2026. He would pay that $240 at any DivDat kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload that DivDat app to your phone or come on down to the courthouse and pay it in person. Officer William Hill, good morning to you. Can you state that for the record, please?
Good morning, Your Honor. Police Officer William Hill, badge 3756, Detroit Police Department.
Good morning to you. As for officer, the other officers, I'm gonna mark them as I don't see that they've appeared. Anybody else here for Mr. Goins? Okay, so I'll dismiss the other matters for no officer, and then I'll dismiss with stipulation of proper cause. I'll dismiss for no officer, and
thank you.
forget the other Officer Hill's case for no recollection further.
So stipulated to probable cause for each matter being dismissed.
All right, you got it, Mr. Goins. All right, officers, be safe. Sergeant, be safe. Mr. Goins, pay it before 9/19/2025. Don't get in any trouble like this again. And within that period of time at least, and that will be dismissed and won't be on your record, okay? Come back on September 19th of 2026.
Okay, you just say 2025. So is it 25 or 26?
September 19th of 2026. Sir.
Okay.
Thank you.
All right. Best of luck to you. All right. Anybody else, Mr.
That's everything from me, Your Honor. Have a good day.
All right, best of luck to you. Be safe. All right, officers and sergeant, be safe. Be safe up there. You're free to leave.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right. All right. Mr. Ms. Harris, are you ready?
Ready, Your Honor.
Let's go back on the record with Mr. Gray. Mr. Gray, is that Mr. Gray you had or Miss Garrett?
I had Miss Garrett.
Let's go back on the record with Ms. Garrett. Ms. Garrett, I'm giving you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what your client want to do?
Your Honor, my client is going to admit responsibility to driving on cell phone with the remaining matters being dismissed.
Want to take the deal, ma'am?
Yes, yes, sir.
All right. Stipulate to the face of the ticket as an active factual basis for that responsible claim your client's behalf.
So stipulated, Your Honor.
Stipulate the probable cause for the dismissal of the other matter.
So stipulated, Your Honor.
And with those stipulations, I am going to find your client responsible for the driving on the cell phone. I will dismiss the other matter. $100, Ms. Garrett. When can you pay it?
I can pay it today.
I just give you until Friday to make sure you get it in here. Pay it in any DivDat kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload the DivDat app to your phone, or you can come on down to the courthouse. And two best ways I can tell you to pay it. If there's nothing further, have a very good day and best of luck to you. Okay.
Okay, thank you.
This is the city of Detroit versus Earshell Antonio Gibbons. Case number SP 176-42361, SP 176-42461. Appearance to the record, please.
Sherika Harris, on behalf of Mr. Gibbons, please state your name for the record. You have to unmute your device. I sent you.
I was trying to. Okay, yeah. Ursel Antonio Gibbons.
So I'm sorry. Want to see today is the time set for a show cause.
For purposes of arraignment, my client stands mute. Respectfully request if there are any warrants that those be recalled.
Winner and not guilty plea on your client's behalf will give him a $0 bond. He has an 11 to 15 over as well. I don't have any issue with allowing him to be heard on that. All right, Mr. Gibbons, Ms. Harris is going to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Join the room. Let us know what you want to do when you come out. Pass the matter. Is back dresser there? Who's that?
Sharia Madine. She was advised to come see you on traffic matters.
Madine?
Well, she would be Judge Wag. She hasn't actually.
How are you advised to come see me, ma'am? Good morning to you.
Good morning. My dad, he says that you help with tickets and things of that nature, so we were just asking.
Good morning to you, sir.
We got to help.
Mr. Mundy?
No, I'm Mr. Taylor. Taylor. So we're part of the Bethune Community Council, and understood that there may be some options and some of these issues if it's not seriously violations. So,
all right, well, why don't you go down to Judge Wagner? Unfortunately, I handle the last names GL or O. These tickets are relatively new. You want to call on her, please?
She's actually not a single judge yet,
No.
because she don't have a misdemeanor, it's just.
I know, but she missed it. And see, if Judge Wagner doesn't have any issue, All right, give me a few minutes, please. Yes.
Okay.
Mr. Berry, are we ready on anyone?
Yes, Your Honor, we have Mr.
Let's go back on the record with Mr. Mr. Lanel Gray. That press *6 to unmute yourself. Is there a resolution, Mr. Berry?
Yes, Your Honor.
What would that resolution be?
My client is prepared to enter a plea to allowing on the driver's license suspended charge, the no insurance matter to be dismissed.
You want to take the deal, Mr. Gray? I'm sorry. Mr. Gray, you want to take the deal allowing $240 is going to be the fine. It doesn't abstract to the Secretary of State, therefore it doesn't carry any points. I'll dismiss upon payment.
You said it doesn't carry any points?
Doesn't carry any points, no abstraction. $240 will dismiss upon payment.
Okay, yes.
Want to take the deal?
Yes.
Can you raise your right hand, please?
Okay.
Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, whole truth, nothing but the truth?
Yes.
You can put your hand down. Do you understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
Could you repeat that?
Do you understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
Yes. So do I have a set time to pay this?
All right, you're not answering my questions, sir. So until you can get to answer my questions, I can give you. We haven't gotten to that point yet. All right.
Oh no, I said yes.
All right. Do you understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes.
Mr. Berry went over your other advice or rights in the breakout room, did he not?
Yes.
You understood those rights?
Yes.
Do you have any questions about those rights?
No.
Do you know by taking this deal you're going to give those rights up?
Yes.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No.
Let me draw your attention back to June the 25th, 2025 at around 9:01 p.m. in the city of Detroit in the area of Madison and Randolph. Did you have an occasion on that day to come encounter with the Detroit Police Department?
You said it have a occasion of what?
Did you get stopped by the police?
No.
All right, Mr. Berry, you need to go back in there and talk to your client. He indicates that he did not get stopped by the police at June 25th.
Oh, no, I heard you. My apologies, I heard. But the phone is going in and out, so I could barely hear you.
All right, did you June 25th, 2025 around 9:01 p.m. city of Detroit, Madison and Randolph, did you get stopped by the police on that day?
Yes.
Were you operating a motor vehicle?
Yes.
You say yes?
Yes, I was.
Did the officer ask you to produce a valid driver's license?
Yes, I gave him my license, and at the time, I did not know that my license was suspended.
Are you contesting that now, sir, that your license was not suspended at the time? Or are you accepting the fact that your license was suspended at that time?
I mean, it was suspended. I said I didn't know that it was suspended at the time. I'm just saying.
Right, and you're not trying to contest that right now, are you? That suspension?
No.
All right, and I'm finding you guilty as to the amended count of allowing $240 to be the fine. I'll dismiss upon payment with stipulation of probable cause. Mr. Berry, I'll dismiss the other matter now.
So stipulated, Your Honor.
All right, Mr. Gray, when can you pay?
I should be able to pay by next Friday.
Next Friday, the 26th?
Yes.
All right, I won't be here then. Come back October the 7th. If you haven't paid, you paid at any DivDat kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload the DivDat app to your phone, or you can come on down to the courthouse and pay it in person. If you pay it one of those two ways, it'll go through instantly. You don't have to come back. We'll dismiss the case. October 7th at 8:25. If it's not paid, I need to see you.
Could you repeat that? If I pay what?
Pay at any DivDat kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload the DivDat app to your phone. That's DIVDAT. Or you come on down to the courthouse and pay it in person. Those are the two best ways I can tell you to pay it.
Okay.
All right. Best of luck to you, sir. October 7th. Make sure you have it paid by then. Come back in. We'll dismiss the case if it's paid.
Okay, October 7th at what time?
At 8:25.
Okay, thank you.
All right, best of luck to you. All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Balawi. Mr. Berry, I sent Mr. Balawi to his alphabet judge. I don't know why he continues to come back here.
So is the court going to hear his case, Your Honor?
No.
Okay.
No, I'm gonna send him back to his alphabet judge. Mr. Balawi.
Yes, sir.
All right, I'm sending you back to him. Why do you keep coming back here?
They keep sending me the tickets, and I just keep joining the Zoom.
No, you're not. You're missing. I don't know what you're doing. Go back to your alphabet judge.
And who is that?
I told you last time. What is all this? What's Judge White?
He said he doesn't mind you assisting him as it goes on the record that there's no objection.
Okay, great. What's Balawi's alphabet now? They have me listed as the judge of record.
Is it the location?
It is. It is. I'm sure it comes from the location.
Okay, let's see. 162. Ever miss class?
Yancey. He's missed plenty of times.
I think what's happening is that
As soon as he misses, it comes back.
or they still routing him back because of the location. They're looking at, like they're looking at Golden and Henderson.
All right, you made a resolution for this, Mr. Berry?
Yes, Your Honor.
And that was what was the resolution?
Allowing, Your Honor.
Now tell him to go back to his alphabet judge. I don't understand how, I don't understand how they're giving out allowings, and the young man earlier had a speeding ticket and just a speeding ticket and a driving while license not valid, and they would only offered him a limited access. Now go back to your alphabet judge. That's courtroom 340. Do not send back. Get 340 on the line. Get a pretrial date for Mr. Balawi.
You going back to Judge Janice?
Whatever. No, who's ever in 340. Is that who's taking care of the V's now?
Let me check.
All right, we'll pass the matter. Garrison. Give me the help pronunciation of your, let's get Lawler's out.
You need a pretrial judge.
Yes, for Bali, on whoever his alphabet judge is. It's the city of Detroit versus Christopher Lawers. Case numbers SD 1748430, counts 1 and counts 2 and counts 3. SD 1768992, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Lowers.
All right, he fell off. He's fast. Mr. Garrison, are you there? Unmute yourself, please.
Daisy Garrison.
Say that again, Daisy.
Daisy.
Daisy Garrison, good morning to you, ma'am.
Morning.
City of Detroit versus Daisy Garrison. Case numbers SD 1335333, count 1. SP 135874661. SP 1454922. SP 1513391, counts 1, 2. SP 152497441. SP 1586137, counts 1. And SP 1749086, counts 1 and counts 2 and counts 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Ms. Garrison.
Daisy Garrison.
All right, good morning to you. Today is the date and time set for a trial. Officer Fergoza checked in. He indicated that he did not have valid recollection.
No, I don't have license, but I do have.
Ms. Garrison, please wait till you speak with the city. Wait till you speak with your attorney before you talk. All right.
Okay.
Officers here on Garrison. With Officer Tyson, good morning to you. Name, badge number, and department for the record, please. Tyson. All right, he was here. Who else is here on Lafada? Officer Lafada, he's in the breakout room. Officer Brown is here. Officer Graves here. Officer Scott is here. And officer, those are the ones that are on the list. All right, let's get you in a breakout room, Ms. Garrison, with Mr. Berry. He's going to try to work this out for you. If you don't like the offer he gets you, today is the date and time set for the trial, okay?
Okay.
Join the room. Let us know what you want to do when you come out. Pass the matter. Ms. Harris?
I'm waiting for an offer, but I just thought maybe I could start with someone else.
What happened to Laur's spot? You did?
Yeah.
Where did I put it back in?
Hold on, let me double check.
8:35. All right, let's call it again. Laur's, are you here? Unmute yourself, start your camera, please. He's still driving.
Your Honor, I do this for a living.
You're still driving, sir.
I'm about to park the car now. I drive for a living.
That's it. You're coming in person. You're coming in person. All right, come back. No, I told you that. You're coming in person on September the 19th. Come in person on Friday.
Yes, Your Honor.
Giving you too many chances. Bye. Put them out.
Oh, what time for September?
8:30.
For 7.
All right. Let's go with Frank Ganada. Frederick Ganada, are you there? Did I get pronunciation correct? Press *6 to unmute yourself, please. Anita. Press *6 to unmute yourself. *6 to unmute yourself, please. Janita, Frederick, Janita. Where's Miss Horn, Miss Harris? Get Miss Horn back in here, please. All right, he's not responding. Let's go down to Christian Gilbert. This is the City of Detroit versus Christian Gilbert, case number SP 142-66861. Appearance for the record, please. Did we lose Christian Gilbert? I believe we lost him as well. Let's pass that matter. Brown is there. Thomas is there. All right. Are we ready on Brandon Love?
Yes, Your Honor, we're going to request a bench trial date.
Let's call the City of Detroit versus Brandon Love. Case number SP 1379573. Counts 1, count strike that, counts 2 and counts 3. SP 1390213 counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1710236 counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1710448. Appearance for the record, please.
Alan Soroki, P37441, appearing on behalf of the defendant. What's your full name for the record, sir?
Brandon Love.
All right, Mr. Love, trial date is going to be the 21st of October. Don't miss this, sir. We're going to put a cash bond on you if you miss it this time, all right?
Got you, Judge.
All right, best of luck to you, sir. Have a very good rest of your day.
Thank you, Your Honor.
He's not, he was yesterday's docket, I'm sorry. And it's spelled BARDON on the docket.
Yeah, I saw that, Brad.
It's actually BARANDON, correct, Mr.? It's actually Brandon, right?
Yes.
All right. Best of luck to you, sir. Have a very good day.
Thank you. Thank you. Have a good day, Judge.
All right, let's recall the City of Detroit versus Christian Deshaun Gilbert. Mr. Gilbert, state your name for the record, please.
My name is Christian Gilbert.
All right, Mr. Gilbert, good morning to you. Ms. Harris, appearance for the record, please.
Erica Harris on behalf of Mr. Gilbert.
All right, today is the date and time. Good morning to you. Today is date and time set for a trial. Officer Backstresser is here. Officer Backstresser, name, badge number, and department for the record. Good morning to you.
Good morning, Your Honor. Officer Backdresser, Badge 8, Detroit Police Department, 3rd Precinct.
All right, Ms. Harris, I'm gonna put you, Mr. Gilbert, in that breakout room with Ms. Harris. She's gonna try to work this out for you. Keep in mind, you have an absolute right to a trial, which today is the date and time set for that, okay?
Could I get the officer name and badge number?
I can't hear what he's saying. You're coming through muffled. Mr. Officer Backstresser, can you start your video, please? Officer, okay, that's Officer Backstresser there. All right, so Mr. Gilbert, go into the breakout room and see if Ms. Harris can sort this out for you, all right? Join the room, please. Let's pass the matter. Okay, I'm gonna wait until the city attorney gets back, and if she has no objection, we'll set these matters aside. I'll allow you to go downstairs, pay the reinstatement fee up front, $45, and then after that point, you go to the Secretary of State and see if you can get a valid license. Okay? This is really not about they probably will give you an offer right on the spot, and you can take care of it. It may not have to pay that reinstatement. Give me a minute, please. You're welcome. She did not zoom back. Okay.
ED, I'm in court.
You have to mute yourself, Mr. Gaskins. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Balawi. Mr. Balawi, I'm sending you back to your alphabet judge. That's going to be Judge Yancey. It's going to be October the 7th. October the 7th, 2025 at 8:30. I'm letting them know, do not send you back. Okay. Mr. Balawi, are you there?
Yes, Your Honor.
Well, October 7th, 2025, Judge Yancey in courtroom 335. That's 360-335-0000.
All right. Thank you, Your Honor.
Best of luck to you.
Have a blessed day.
You as well. Ms. Horn?
Yes, Your Honor.
You still don't let me know that you're leaving.
Is that telephone number in? I'm sorry. I will. Telephone number ending in 2790. Is that the court?
Yes, that's me.
2790.
Let me save you. Yeah, let me save you.
All right. Let me what I have is I have a Madam Munden. Give me the correct pronunciation of your name.
Shariah Munden.
Shariah Munden. This is civil infractions of disregard a red signal and no insurance proof. Ms. Munden is a walk-in. I would have no issue with allowing her to be heard on these matters. If you have no objection, we did consult with Judge Wagner, who typically, if there were misdemeanors, they would have been with his court. He indicated to this court that he would have no objection to the city for us to hear him if the city has no objection.
Okay, and I can, is she going to be represented by counsel or would you like an offer now, Your Honor?
Let's get an offer now for her if she wants an offer, and then we'll, once disregarding the red signal, no insurance proof. I believe you come because your driver's license is being affected.
Yes.
All right, she really wants to get back on the road legally. She brought her father here. So what is your name again?
Uriah Taylor.
Uriah Taylor.
Okay, I'm going to text Madam Clerk to relay that to you. Okay, Madam Clerk, I just sent you a text with the offer.
Okay, thank you.
All right. The offer is going to be blocking traffic. You have $175 today, ma'am?
Yes, I do.
Put on the record, Senate, City of Detroit versus Shariah, I'm sorry. London, case number SP 173-5179, counts 1 and counts 2. State your name for the record, please.
Shariah London.
All right. This is a case off the record. We indicated that walk-in, blocking traffic, no insurance proof. City has no objection to setting the defaults aside. I'm going to set those defaults aside, allow you to be heard on those. Offer is going to be pleading to the amended count of blocking traffic and dismissing the other matter. You want to take the deal, ma'am?
Yes, sir.
All right, find you responsible as to the amended count of blocking traffic. You will admit to being pulled over on this date and time, correct?
Correct.
And you will admit that you disregard this red signal or ran this red light or ran stop sign. Is that correct?
Correct.
Okay, so that automatically gives the officer probable cause to pull you over. So with that stipulation, I'm going to find you responsible as to the amended count of blocking traffic. If you go down there and pay it now, we'll close it out. Okay. All right.
And
Good enough. Thank. Pardon me. The spelling is Shirriah. Is that correct? And the last name is spelled Munden. Correct. All right. Dad, I appreciate you coming down. The court does recognize that and support your daughter. And we'll see you at the meeting.
Yes, sir. Thank you, Your Honor. Thank you. Have a blessed day.
Thank you, Judge.
Sir. Thank you. Well, you can go. You have to go. You go in there waiting on you in 4.
Okay, got it, Your Honor. Thanks.
Now you should be able to go to the Secretary of State. You should be able to go to Secretary of State. It should go to immediately. It may take 24 hours, but it should go through immediately. You should be able to set an appointment for the Secretary of State. If that's the only thing that's affecting your license, you should be good. All right, best of luck to you both.
Yes, you both.
Usual. Start with dismissing some of the officers that all right, everybody else is here, so there's no, everybody else is here. Just waiting on a lawyer. And Garcia.
Yes, Your Honor.
Warren, can you put some more clothes on, please, ma'am?
Okay, I'm sorry.
So she's supposed to have an
See
attorney.
if that's one where she's supposed to have an appointed attorney. Is that someone who she's supposed to be an attorney?
Check this. Check.
But Ms. Garcia, were you supposed to have an attorney contact you?
Good morning, I'm sorry.
Good morning to you. Were you supposed to have an attorney contact you?
I believe so.
She was just arraigned.
What?
She was arraigned at 1:30. Like she was scheduled for 1:30.
But I've seen her before.
And I set her for today.
Oh, this is one that I did the arraignment on.
No, say arraignment waived.
The
Why
9th.
have I seen her?
2 days. Second. Set for 9/16.
All right, give me a minute. Let's see who else we could try to get rid of. run her drive. She got them.
Mhm.
Let's go back on the record. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Gilbert. Mr. Gilbert, it's a dismissal. Ms. Harris,
Hello?
she's gone. Give me 1 second, Mr. Gilbert. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Gilbert. Ms. Harris, this is a dismissal.
Yes, Your Honor, it is.
All right, Mr. Gilbert, I'm gonna dismiss the case, and I'm gonna waive the warrant fee with stipulation of probable cause.
So stipulated, Your Honor.
All right, Mr. Gilbert, if there's nothing further, have a very good day and best of luck to you, all right? Does Mr. Gilbert hear me?
Here to go, right here.
Case dismissed, sir. Best of luck to you.
Have a blessed day.
All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Gibbons. Mr. Gibbons, you want to take this deal, limited access, 1 to 5, $125?
Yes.
Stipulate to the face of the ticket as an active factual basis for that responsible plea on your client's behalf, counsel.
So stipulated, Your Honor. We stipulate to probable cause for the dismissal.
All right, with that, I'm going to find your client responsible for the amended count of limited access, 1 to 5, $125. When can you pay it, sir?
2 weeks.
Pay it by October the 7th, 2025.
Yes.
Pay it at any DivDat kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload to DivDat after your phone, or you can come on down to the courthouse and pay it in person. Those are the two best ways I can tell you to pay it. If there's nothing further, have a very good day. Best of luck to you, okay?
Thank you, Ronnie. You as well.
Thank you.
All right.
City of Detroit versus Patrick Gaskin. Case number track that 25775629, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Sherika Harris, on behalf of Mr. Gaskin, please state your name for the record. You have to unmute your device, sir.
Hello?
Mr. Gaskin, good morning. State your name for the record, please.
My name is Keith Gaskin.
All right, good morning to you. Officer Crawford Thomas, can you put your name, badge, number, and department on the record, please?
Yes, Officer Shamika Crawford Thomas, badge number 119.
Good morning to you. Day is date and time set for a trial. Mr. Gaskin, I'm gonna see if Mr. Harris can work this out for you. I'll put you in a breakout room with her. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, today is the date and time set for the trial. Please. Yeah, give me the correct pronunciation of your last name, please.
Janita?
Janita, I was trying to get you to unmute yourself a while ago. Give me a minute, please.
Yeah, I tried, sir. I couldn't. I'm not good with these phones.
Give me a minute,
and I tried.
please.
I pushed the *6 twice,
Right,
and it didn't work.
Please. Give me a minute.
Okay. Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. All right, Mr. Berry, are we ready on Ms. Garrison?
Yes, Your Honor.
And let's go back on the record with Ms. Garrison. Officer Brown, good morning to you. Can you put your name, badge number, and department on the record, please?
Officer Melvin Brown, badge 1586, Detroit Police Department. Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning to you. Officer Scott, are you here on Garrison as well? Can you put your name, good morning to you. Can you put your name, badge number, department on the record, please?
Yes, sir. Sorry about that. Officer Stephen Scott, badge 4447.
I need to turn your camera on, please. Okay. Good morning to you, Officer Scott.
Good morning.
All right. And we got a resolution here, Mr. Berry?
Well, Your Honor, the people have made an offer, which includes Officer Brown's ticket of disorderly conduct. We were able to resolve the other matters, but we need a trial as to the disorderly conduct, the court permitting.
Have you talked to the people as it related to the disorderly conduct and at Leno?
I'd like an opportunity to speak with the city again.
Let's do that, please.
Thank you, Your Honor.
And let me see if there's any notes on this disorderly, if there's even a disorderly conduct ticket in here. And see if there's any notes that have any, give you any understanding of the allegation against Ms. Garrison.
Judge Perkins calling me, Ms. Germaine. Yes, Judge Perkins calling me, Mrs. Germaine. I'm scheduled for court today. What are you scheduled for? Do you know, is it a trial or a preacher?
All right, I do have the ticket here. It indicates the allegation is that defendant was at local after-hour club at Strathmore, and the West McNichols defendant was fighting in public with multiple females. That's what the allegation is, Mr. Berry. All right.
Thank you.
Go back in the breakout room, Ms. Garrison, allow Mr. Berry some more time to work on this, see if he can work it out for you. Again, the day is the date and time set for the trial, all right?
Okay.
Rejoin the room, please. You can go back in that room, Ms. Garrison, by going down to the bottom of your screen and clicking the more button or something, and you should see that room too repopulate. You go to 4, Mr. Berry.
Yes, sir.
I don't see the, wait one.
Spell it so we can. Just got it at 8:30 tomorrow. Excuse me, correction. No, you keep saying tomorrow. It's Thursday. All right, the Zoom number. Only reason I'm stressing because I'm not sure this. You want me to spell it, check it. So it's Thursday.
Oh, we'll just play with me.
No, it's 360-434. 000. Yes. Okay.
It's backdresser, do we have any more for backdresser? Excuse me, who you waiting off, backdresser?
Yeah, it looked like Gilbert, Your Honor. I'm not sure if we did. Lacy.
Gilbert's gone, dismiss.
Frank Lacy.
Frank Lacy took a Lacy is gone as well. I don't know the outcome. That was a blocking track.
All right, sounds good.
Be safe.
Thank you. Have a good day.
Who? No, he's up for trial. Ted Gloucester.
Yes, I'm here, Your Honor.
Yesterday.
Your Honor, I am a junior as well. So,
Yeah, I have you 05, correct?
can you repeat that, please?
05, is that correct?
No,
Your birthday is not an 05?
no, I don't. My birthday is in 99.
Ted Gloucester, or is it Terrell Gloucester?
Oh, no, I have an uncle named Terrell, but no,
What's your middle name, if you have one?
I don't have a middle name.
It's just TED though, your first name?
Yes, sir.
What's your date of birth?
December 29th, 1999.
December 29th, 1999.
Yes. That's why I was kind of confused, because the case did get dismissed last time I was here, last month.
All right, there. Dismiss. Dismiss. You're free to leave. Cases are dismissed. I don't know why you got another notice. Be safe, Mr. Gloucester. Have a very good rest of your day.
All right. Thank you, Your Honor.
Ms. Harris, are we ready?
Ready, Your Honor.
This for Gaskin.
Yes,
sir,
Your
Your Honor.
Let's go back on the record for Mr. Gaskin. Mr. Gaskin, I'm giving you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, my client is going to admit responsibility to the amended count of blocking traffic with the misdemeanor matter being dismissed. We stipulate to the face of the ticket for purposes of the factual basis. We stipulate to probable cause for the dismissal.
You want to take the deal, Mr. Gloucester? I mean, Gaskin, I'm sorry.
Yes, sir, Your Honor.
All right. With those stipulations, I'll find your client responsible for the amended count of blocking traffic and dismiss the other case. 175, when can you pay?
Give me about 3 weeks.
Give you till October 16th, 2025. You still owe 228 on another ticket, old ticket as well. If there's nothing further, Mr. Gloucester paid any div that kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload div that to your phone, or you can come on down to the courthouse and pay it in
Excuse me,
person.
Your Honor. Judge, Your Honor.
Yes.
Now, which ticket was that I supposed to owe? Because the last time I was in your court, you supposed to dismiss that, because I showed you no proof of, what's that, proof of registration? I showed you that. You supposed to throw that out, sir.
Not in here like that.
Yes, you. I showed you my proof of registration. You supposed to throw that out, sir.
I don't know. I don't know. You have to get the record. I don't know.
Well, you have to. Well, Your Honor, sir, I wish you'd go back and look because you supposed to dismiss that because I had showed you the proof of registration and everything. You supposed to do that, dismiss that.
No insurance was supposed to be dismissed. That was dismissed.
It was the proof of registration, wasn't it?
No. No, I wasn't supposed to dismiss that. No. I'm not. Listen to me. Listen to me. I'm not dismissing anything that is from 2015. No. Never have, and not gonna start. That ticket dates back to 2015.
Okay.
No, that's that's 10 years ago.
Okay, I thought you were talking about. Well, don't worry about it, Mr. Your Honor. Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it.
I'm not. All right, be safe, Mr. Gaskin.
Okay, you give me to October 16th to pay it.
October 16th.
You have a blessed day, Your Honor.
You have a better one. Take it easy. City of Detroit versus Frederick Lloyd Janida. Case number SP 7429041. Appearance for the record, please.
Cherrick,
Yes, can you hear me now?
I can hear you.
Okay.
Cherrick Harris, on behalf of the defendant, please state your name.
Frederick Lloyd Ganida.
For purposes of arraignment, my client stands mute.
I'll enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. I'll give your client a $0 bond, Mr. Ganida. I'm gonna put you in the breakout room with Miss Harris. You don't have to do anything. Just when she comes in there, she'll get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. No, this is the first time he's had an appearance, and the ticket just indicates the allegation just says he was consuming alcohol in public, does not say any more. All right, I'm gonna put you in a breakout room. Let us know what you want to do when you come back. You have an absolute right to a trial if you don't like the offer. He's in there, Ms. Harris. It's past the matter. Mr. Berry, let's go back on the record for Ms. Garrison. Ms. Garrison, Mr. Berry, I've given you extra opportunity to pre-try the case. What's gonna happen?
Your Honor, my client would avail herself of the people's offer to enter 2 counts of allowing for the Officer Haupt and Officer Scott tickets, driving on license suspended, and a count of FTD as to the driving on a suspended license for Officer LaFada. And finally, as to Officer Brown's ticket for disorderly conduct, she would enter a plea on the basis of a 90-day delayed sentence. The remaining
Ms. Garrison, do you want to take the deal?
Yes.
Can you raise your right hand, please? Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, whole truth, nothing but the truth?
Yes.
Or you can put your hand down. Officer Hook, can you put your name, badge number, and department on the record, please?
Yes, good morning, Your Honor. Detroit Police Officer Nicholas Haupt, badge 1789.
All right, good morning to you. All right, you understand, ma'am, that the maximum possible penalty for these offenses are 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
Yes.
Do you understand that you have an absolute right to
Of course, where do we start? You drive safe.
You understand you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes.
Mr. Berry went over your other advice or rights in the breakout room, did he not?
Yes.
And you understood those rights?
Yes.
You have any questions about those rights?
No.
You know, by taking the deal, you're gonna give those rights up?
Yes.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No.
We draw your attention back to December the 3rd, 2023, at around 2:20 a.m. in the city of Detroit, in the area of West McNichols and Strathmore. Were you at that location around that date and that time?
Yes.
Did you do something out there to cause a police presence, ma'am?
Yes.
And would you agree that that police presence that you caused disturbed the good, quiet nature of that community?
Yes.
Find your client guilty as to disorderly conduct as charged. I'll find her 240 for that. It said 3-month delay, Mr. Barry?
Yes, Your Honor.
Let me draw your attention back to June the 2nd, 2024, around 12:38 a.m. in the city of Detroit, in the area of Blackmore and 7 Mile. Did you have an occasion on that day to come in encounter with the Detroit Police Department?
Yes.
Were you operating a motor vehicle?
Yes.
Officer asked you, okay, that is the one that's no recollection. Let's pass that. Let me draw your attention back to October the 29th, 2023, at around 1:02 p.m. in the city of Detroit, in the area of Outer Drive and Grenier. Did you have an occasion on that day to come encounter with the Detroit Police Department?
Yes.
Operating a motor vehicle?
Yes.
Officer asked to produce a valid driver's license.
Yes.
You couldn't do so, could you, ma'am?
No.
And why is that?
I don't have a license.
Very well. Find your client guilty for the amended count of allowing for the amended from the driving while license suspended repeat offender, and then find your client guilty as to the amended count of allowing for the failure to display a valid driver's license. And lastly, let me draw your attention back to May the 6th, 2023, in the city of Detroit, in the area of Moran and Kelly. Do you recall being stopped by the police on that date, ma'am? Yeah, you're muted. You're muted. Okay, go ahead. You recall being stopped by the police on that day?
I don't recall.
To 2016 Buick, they say you were operating Moran and Kelly, city of Detroit, at around 1 o'clock in the afternoon.
No, I don't recall.
What about recollection? Take your attention back to May the 31st, 2022, at around 11:08 a.m. in the city of Detroit, in the area of Gratiot and Eastwood. 2010 Buick. You like the Buicks, don't you? You don't recall that either?
No.
All right, one more. Carry your attention back to April the 4th, 2024. 2020, April the 4th, 2022 at around 1:04 a.m.
I'm sorry.
in the city.
I'm sorry. The problem was Meringue and Kelly area. I do remember that wasn't my vehicle. That's probably why I was operating though.
You did get stopped on that day?
Yeah, I do remember now. Yes.
Let's go back to Meringue and Kelly. Actually, Eastwood. All right, let's go back to May the 6th, 2023, 1:29 a.m. City of Detroit, Meringue and Kelly. Do you recall being stopped by the police on that day, ma'am?
Yes, Meringue and Kelly, I do recall.
Operating a motor vehicle?
Yes.
Officer asked you to produce valid driver's license?
Yes.
Could not do so, could you?
No.
And why is that?
I never had a license, Your Honor.
You do an awful lot of driving, don't you? Don't want to answer that. All right. All right. Smart. All right. Let's see. Are you working, ma'am?
Not at the moment. I'm on bed rest. I'm currently 3 months pregnant.
Congratulations on that. You owe a lot of tickets down here. I'm going to give you a little bit of a break today, but don't come back in here with any more tickets because you're not going to get a break. And I'm not going to have sympathy for your newborn child and all of that stuff. You have to go get the stuff corrected, right?
Okay.
Each set of the tickets, I'm only gonna fine you. I'll fine you $240 for the disorderly conduct. I'm gonna give you a break. That's all I'm gonna find is $240. Each of the other tickets, they have, they already have civil infractions associated with them. So normally, if you would have paid those civil infractions at the time, the court probably would have dismissed the misdemeanors anyway. So I'm gonna still afford you that break, $240, and then you owe a lot of other civil infractions. I'm gonna give you a review date for December the 16th, 2025 at 8:25. You need to start paying no insurance proof 288 3 times first. I don't know what your license looks like in any other jurisdictions, but if you pay those, then you can potentially set yourself up for getting a valid driver's license. You at least get clearances down here. The other monies, that the $240 that we're discussing today, I'm going to give you until December 16th to pay it. So either do one of two things: pay it at any DivDat kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload the DivDat app to your phone, or come on down to the courthouse and pay it in person. Those are the two best ways I can tell you to pay it. Either get into the payment plan or pay it by December 16th. I'll see you back December 16th at 8:25. If you don't have any further questions, ma'am, have a very good rest of your day.
I do. So because I can pay the $240 and one of those 288 tickets as soon as possible, how do I get into the payment?
Well, I would pay the 288s first.
Okay.
You have 3 of those. If you get into the payment plan with the 288, then it's not gonna clear those reinstatement fees. Those are the only 3 reinstatement fees that you have to concern yourself with. So you need to do the best you can to take the 388s up front, and then that 240 you have until December 16th, or anything, all the other stuff you can get into a payment under one payment plan. But the 288s are the ones that are affecting the ability to get a license, at least with the 36th District Court, all right? So those you should take care of first.
Okay.
And then get it payment plan.
Okay.
All right, best of luck to you, ma'am. Have a very good rest of your day, okay?
You too.
Thank you. All right, let's go with the city of Detroit versus Taisha Green. Case numbers SP 1724100, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1746989, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Ms. Green.
Aisha Shakoya Green.
Good morning to you, ma'am. Date is the date and time set for a trial. Officer Burley, good morning to you. Can you state your name, badge number, and department for the record, please, and start your camera, please. And you too as well, Ms. Green, start your camera. Everybody, please have their camera started when they get on the record.
Officer Burley, 454. Detroit Police.
All right, good morning to you. All right, good morning to you. Is there an officer Cord? I don't believe I've seen that officer join the room. I don't have that officer on my list. Mr. Berry, give this Green enough. Okay, I got it. Yeah.
Motion for dismissal as to the court.
All right, I'll dismiss that matter. I'll grant that motion, no officer. I'll give Ms. Green an updated offer. Keep in mind, Ms. Green, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. I'm gonna put you in a breakout room, Mr. Berry. Let's see if he can work this out for you, all right? Okay. My name, man, what's up? Yeah.
Good to see that gentleman.
Good morning, sir. What's going on? What's going on?
How you doing?
Let's pass the matter.
Just out there to say hello, everybody.
Appreciate it.
How you doing?
And let's go back on the record with Mr. Janida. Mr. Janida, I'm giving you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, my client is going to enter a plea under a delayed sentence.
Is that what you want to do, sir?
Yes.
All right, can you raise your right hand, please?
Yes.
Swear or affirm to tell the truth, whole truth, nothing but the truth.
Excuse me, I couldn't hear you.
You swear or affirm to tell the truth, whole truth, and nothing but the truth.
Yes.
Or you can put your hand down. Do you understand? Do you understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
Yes, Your Honor.
You understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes.
Ms. Harris went over your other advice or rights in the breakout room, did she not?
Yes.
You understood those rights?
Yes.
Any questions about those rights?
No, Your Honor.
You know, by taking this deal, you're going to give those rights up?
Yes.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No, Your Honor.
We draw your attention back to June the 14th, 2025 at around 12:03 a.m. in the city of Detroit in the area of Woodward and Adams. Were you in that area around that date and that time?
Yes.
Were you consuming alcohol in public? Is that outdoors?
Yes, I was just after the Tiger game, and yes, I did have an open beer, sir.
All right, very well. I'll find you guilty as charged. $240 is going to be the fine. And what kind of delay is this, Ms. Harris?
3 months, Your Honor.
All right, it'll be a 3-month delayed sentence, sir, meaning you pay this at any DivDec kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload the Did That app to your phone or come on down to the courthouse and pay it in person. You pay it by December 16th, 2025. Don't get any other trouble like this, and then it'll be erased from your record. I'll see you back on December 16th, 2025 at 8:25. If it's paid, you don't have to come back. If it's not paid, okay?
Okay, let me write that down. You said December
16th at 8:25 is the next court date.
8:25. Okay, so it'll be a court date like this where I call this number again?
Yeah, make sure the thing is paid though.
Okay, yeah. Oh, I'll most definitely take care of that, sir.
All right, best of luck to you. Have a very good rest of your day.
All right, thank you, and everybody in the courtroom have a blessed rest of their day.
Thank you.
Thank
City of
you.
Detroit versus Koika, Kyoka. Give me the correct pronunciation. I'm sorry, man. Start your videos, and Miss Lewis, start your video. That's not an option. All right.
Hello.
Give me the correct pronunciation of your name, ma'am.
Yoko Lewis.
That?
Yoko Lewis.
Give me the city of Detroit versus Kyoko Lewis, case number SP 173-1397, counts 1 and counts 2. Good morning to you, ma'am. Appearance for the record, please.
Sherika Harris, on behalf of Ms. Lewis, please state your name.
Yoko Lewis.
All right, Ms. Lewis, I'm gonna put you in the breakout room with Ms. Harris. She's gonna get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Enter not guilty plea on her behalf and give her a $0 bond. Join the room, we'll pass the matter. All right, Mr. Guyton, John Tennis Guyton. I believe he.
Your Honor,
Yes.
I see Mr. Gaskin is still here. I'm just wondering, did he have a question or did the court ask him to wait?
I don't know. I was gonna wait on that.
Oh, okay.
There's Mr. Gaskin. Mr. Gaskin, hold on. Wait now for Mr. Guyton before you go see Lewis. Mr. Gaskin, you're still here.
Yeah, I'm trying to hang up.
I'll put you out. Ms. Harris, this is the city of Detroit versus John Tess Guyton. Case number SP 174-3474, counts 1 and counts 2, SP 174-34921, SP 174-7656, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Sherika Harris, on behalf of Mr. Guyton. Mr. Guyton, please state your name for the record.
John Tez Guyton.
It's also called SP 1680094, counts 1, 2, and 3 into the record. Good morning to you, Mr. Guyton. Is Officer Revels, Officer Wise, and Officer Martin here? I'm hearing no response and do not see those officers on my list.
Defense moves to dismiss, Your Honor.
Case dismissed, Mr. Guyton. Best of luck to you. Have a very good rest of your day, all right?
Thanks a lot. Appreciate that.
Welcome.
Thanks.
All right, go ahead, Ms. Harris. You can speak to Ms. Lewis. Officer Kimberly Wright, she's not here. Let's go with Lacy will be next. Let's see what happens with Lacy. Have Lacy file. Here. All right. Do we have D'Angelo Brown?
D'Angelo Brown.
I need Brown and I need Garcia.
I don't have Garcia. D'Angelo Brown. Yeah.
Ms. Lacy, you wanna validate with these in these cases?
Yes, yes, Your Honor.
2016. Morning to you. Have you been to the Secretary of State, ma'am?
No, I haven't yet, Your Honor.
Let's go back on the record with Ms. Green. Ms. Green, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, my client would avail herself of the people's offer to allow her to enter a plea to improper plates for the no proof of insurance charge and dismiss the expired plates charge.
You want to take the deal, Ms. Green?
Yes, Your Honor.
Wait a minute. No. Those cases are dismissed. We're only looking at expired plates and no insurance, Mr.
That's correct, Your Honor. And the offer is to allow her to enter a plea to improper plates for the no insurance proof.
No. You can't, no improper plates. These are civil infractions.
Oh, there's
So
some
expired
confusion.
plate and no insurance, get her an offer on those two. Those are both civil infractions. The other three matters were dismissed because there was no officer.
That is correct. That's our understanding.
All right, so these are just civil infractions. You can't amend a civil infraction to a misdemeanor. All right, go back in the breakout room and see what Ms. Horn wants to do. Let's pass it again. All right, let's go back on the record with Ms. Lewis. Ms. Lewis, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, your client has provided valid documentation.
Yes, Your Honor.
I want to dismiss the cases, ma'am, for providing valid documentation. If there's nothing further, have a very good day and best of luck to you, okay? Ms. Lewis?
Yes.
Have a good day, ma'am. Case dismissed. All right, Ms. Harris, this is the City of Detroit versus Deja Janet Lacy, case number SP 560451, counts 1 and counts 2. Appear for the record, please.
Erica Harris on behalf of Ms. Lacy, please state your name for the record.
Your Honor, my name is Deja Lacy.
All right, good morning to you, ma'am. Date is date and time set for arraignment on the bench warrant. Go ahead, Counselor.
For purposes of arraignment, my client stands mute. Respectfully request that any warrants be recalled.
All right, enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. We'll give her a $0 bond. I did ask Ms. Lacy whether she just wanted to go to trial on these matters. She indicated that she would. I am seeing on here her driving record that she needs to take care of Allen Park. And then on Bloomfield and on Detroit, they are suspensions, but they have an effective range, which is long past that range. Your license should not be affected by it. I just don't see a reinstatement date but I do see Allen Park here is gonna have to be addressed first. All right, do you need to speak with Ms. Harris in the breakout room, ma'am? I'll let you speak with Ms. Harris, get a better understanding. And
Okay, thank you, Your Honor.
join the room, let us know what you want to do. She might give you just updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Join the room, we'll pass the matter.
Okay, thank you, Your Honor.
Well, Mr. Phillips.
Don't be forgetting, man, you're the only, one of the only 2 or 3 courses be here at during lunchtime.
During lunchtime?
Yeah, everybody else is gone.
We work all day.
Yeah, I know.
We work until the last ones are gone, but some of my defendants that come here don't appreciate the fact that I don't even get up from this seat until everybody's gone. And I try to do it as fast, efficiently as I can, but they still get mad at me sometimes.
Yeah. But I thought that was only on our day.
Ms. Garcia, you mad at me, Ms. Garcia?
No.
So no, we're here all morning.
Yeah.
Mr. Officer Pierce, we're gonna call Ryan. Well, Ryan Langford was here. I don't know what happened to him.
That's what I'm wondering.
Yeah, Mr. Langford was here. He showed.
Okay. Maybe he comes back.
Mr. Langford fell off some kind of way. All right, let's go back on the record with Ms. Lacy. Ms. Lacy, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, my client is going to take the trial date.
Trial date is going to be October. You want a pre-trial date?
Yes, Your Honor.
That would be best, Your Honor.
Pre-trial date, October 16th, 2025 at 8:30. Go to the Secretary of State, and they don't get a valid license, then they should give you a printout. They should let you know everything that's affecting your license, and that'll give you a roadmap on what you need to do. All right.
I'm sorry, could you repeat that date for me, Your Honor?
October 16th at 8:30.
Okay, great.
Best of luck to you, man.
Okay, October the 16th.
Yes.
Okay, how do I get the meeting ID number?
The same way you got it today.
It's the same one?
Same one.
Okay, thank you, Your Honor.
Have a good day, man.
You too.
This is the City of Detroit versus D'Angelo Martez Graham. Case number SP 175-79391. Appearance for the record, please. Good morning to you, Mr. Graham.
Good morning.
Erica Harris on behalf of Mr. Graham. Mr. Graham, please state your name.
D'Angelo Graham.
All right,
For
Mr.
purposes
Graham,
of arraignment, my client stands mute.
all right, I'll enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. I'll give your client a $0 bond. Mr. Graham, I'm gonna put you in a breakout with Ms. Harris. She's gonna get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial, okay?
Okay.
All right, he's in there, Ms. Harris. Let's pass the matter. Mr. Berry, are we ready on Ms. Green?
We are, Your Honor, ready.
Let's go back on the record with Ms. Green. Ms. Green, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, we will avail ourselves of the offer to enter a plea to the expired plates, the no insurance proof to be dismissed.
All right, you want to take the deal, Ms. Green?
I'm sorry, Your Honor. I'm sorry, Your Honor. I was in the breakout room by myself.
Oh, no, Ms. Green, it's a civil infraction, $145. The other case will be dismissed. You want to take that deal? It doesn't abstract to the Secretary of State, nor does it carry any points, all right?
Okay, I just didn't understand. I'm sorry. Yes, that's fine.
No, sorry. You want to take the deal, Ms. Green?
Yes.
You stipulated to the face of the ticket as an active factual basis for that responsible plea, did you not, Mr. Berry?
Yes, Your Honor.
You stipulate the probable cause for the dismissal of the other matters.
Yes, Your Honor, so stipulated.
Find your client responsible as charged to the expired plates. I'll dismiss the no insurance proof. $145, Ms. Green. When can you pay it?
In about 2 weeks.
Pay it by October 7th. You say about 2 weeks. Is it gonna be 2 weeks or not?
It'll be 2 weeks from Friday.
Pay it, yeah, well, that's it. 2 weeks from Friday is October 7th. That's even more time than October 7th, right? Pay it by October 7th, Ms. Green. Pay it at any DivBat kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload the DivBat app to your phone, or you can come on down to the courthouse and pay it in person. Those are the two best ways I can tell you to pay it, Ms. Green. If there's nothing further, I appreciate your patience. Have a very good rest of your day, all right?
Thank you. You too, Your Honor.
Thank you. City of Detroit versus Chelsea Lynn Lohman, case number SP 1764627, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Norwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Lohman.
Chelsea Lynn Lohman.
Show cause, Mr. Berry.
Your Honor, we would waive the reading of the information and stand mute.
And we'll hear a not guilty plea on Ms. Lohman's behalf. Give her a $0 bond. Ms. Lohman, and there's 2 other matters that are on the docket. These matters come to along with these tickets is a disregard of a red signal and a seatbelt violation. Mr. Berry, or is it disregard a device sign, the traffic control device, seatbelt violation. I don't have the issue with moments you heard on those that the city has more there. We'll get Ms. Lohman an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like Ms. Lohman, you have an option right here to try. Join the room. Let's go when you come back. Let's go back on the record past that matter. Let's go back on the record for Mr. Graham. Unmute yourself, Mr. Graham. Ms. Harris, this case is dismissed for valid documentation.
Yes.
I'm gonna say yes as well. I'm just letting the court know he did have valid registration.
All right, case dismissed for valid documentation, Mr. Graham. If there's nothing further, have a very good day. Best of luck to you.
You too, Judge.
All right. The city of Detroit, you're free to leave, Mr. Graham. City of Detroit versus Sandy Garcia, case number SP 1769167. Appearance for the record, please.
Erica Harris, on behalf of Ms. Garcia, please state your name for the record.
Sandy Garcia.
All right, today's the date and time. Good morning to you, Ms. Garcia.
Good morning.
Today is the date and time set for a
Pre-trial.
Pre-trial. Give Ms. Garcia updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, Ms. Garcia, you have an absolute right to a trial. I'm gonna put you in a breakout room, Ms. Harris. Let us know what you want to do when you come out, okay? And
okay.
No, I don't file, no officer. I've seen Ms. Garcia before for some reason, but no person has been assigned to this at all. All right?
Okay.
Ms. Harris. All right, join the room. Let us know what you want to do when you come out.
Okay.
And Your Honor, can any of the officers here be released?
In Langford, all of them except for Langford, well, we're just gonna have to reset Langford. Langford was here, and I don't know what happened to him. This matter is set for trial. He was here all morning, a decent part of the morning. I looked up at Officer Pierce, and I didn't see Langford, but I had him on my list. Came in between Cook and Bill. All right, I'm just gonna show cause him, see what happens to him, so he doesn't have any others. Officer Pierce, you have a very good day. Officer Dudek.
Thank you,
came
Lord.
in. Be
Thank you,
safe
officer.
out there.
Good morning, Your
Officer
Honor.
Dudek, good morning to you. Goins, you came in after the fact.
For Willie Goins?
Yes, I didn't have you in by the time the cutoff at 9:30. So I dismissed those cases that are officers not here by 9:30. So I'll mark up, have you already put Willie Goins in? We'll go back and adjust it. I won't say no officer, it'll just be dismissed.
Okay.
Okay, thank you, Your Honor. I thought it was 9 a.m. That's my fault.
It was 9 a.m., but I didn't see you, you didn't come in at 9 a.m.?
No, I thought it was 11 a.m. You said 9:30 a.m. though?
Yeah, it was 9 a.m., yeah.
Okay, I thought 11 a.m. My fault. That's my fault.
We'll take off the no officer.
Okay, my apologies. Have a good morning, Your Honor.
You as well, be safe.
Thank you,
Let's go
Judge.
back-
Thank you, officer.
Let's go back on the record with Ms. Garcia. Ms. Garcia, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, your client wants a court appointment.
Yes, Your Honor.
Guys, what's the goes to Mama?
Mama.
What's the goes? What's the goes?
I'm gonna forget the right legal appointment. Ms. Garcia, I'm gonna ask you to answer the calls you don't recognize. One of those calls should be that appointed attorney. If you don't hear from that appointed attorney by your next court date on October the 16th, 2025, we're gonna get one appointed to you on the spot on that date, okay?
Okay.
And that's set for a pretrial, so that's set just to make sure that you have that appointed attorney, okay?
Okay, you say October the 16th, what time, sir?
At 8:30.
8:30.
If you don't have any further questions, have a very good day.
Okay, thank you. You as well. Do I have any questions?
Judge, did I hear you say you won't be here next Friday? Is it just,
I won't be here next week, 2 weeks afterwards.
wait, 2 weeks? Say that again?
2 weeks. Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, he leaving on the 19th. He don't return until the 6th of October.
The 19th, this week, Okay.
19th is my last day, Friday.
Friday.
It's a
We only
fun
gonna
birthday.
have 30 dockets.
Till the 6th of October, you said?
To the 6th of October. For everybody.
Birthday trip? A birthday trip?
Sure, yeah, they don't have to get it, they don't have to, I don't have to get on anybody's nerves.
Yeah.
Man, that's not to say, I don't get on her nerves. She just saying that.
I'm not saying that. Probably some sorry.
Right, but you gonna tell all of YouTube where you're going, or I gotta wait?
All of YouTube? I don't think YouTube cares, do they?
They'll be in the comments like, you know.
I don't think they care. I'm going to see my son in I'm going to New York. My son plays on Sunday in New York. So we're going to take a road trip too. So we're going to take Sunday in New York, and then the following, and my brother lives in New York, and then the following Saturday he plays in Portland, Maine. So we're going to go up to Portland, Maine. I've never been up to Maine before, so we're going to do that, and then I don't know what the rest of the time we'll do.
All I heard was road trip. It's a road
Yes,
trip.
road
Good
trip,
job.
road trip. I wish they would give him a job at Detroit City FC so he could be here and we could see all his home games here.
Yeah, it's so nice.
That'd be sweet. hometown boy, and I would say this. I would actually say this. I would say, and I know I could be wrong, but my son would probably be the first Black professional soccer player to ever come out of Detroit. I mean, hey, I don't know. I don't know if it's true, but I'll tell you what, it's probably the first Black in 50, 60 years.
We'll take it.
We'll take it.
Yeah, I'll take it.
We'll take it. We'll take it.
That'd be a good storyline for.
Say it out loud. I like it.
Speak it into existence.
Huh?
He can make Sports Center with that.
They know the city gonna rise up once they have it. They ain't gonna be the control of the people.
So hopefully they win. That's what they need to do.
That would be cool too. I love those soccer story movies.
Oh, did you see that movie? What's that soccer story movie? We watched that one day when we were seeing it. The one where there's a homeless soccer team, and they gather all these homeless individuals all over the world, and they have a tournament.
Yeah, I seen them.
What was the name of that?
I can't think of it. One of the guys was on and got addicted to drugs. And he got into one of the guys. I seen that one. I can't think of the name.
Yeah, that was good, wasn't it?
That was a dope one. And they were like,
And that's a true story too. They do have a soccer team with what I should say
and they had
housing
female,
insecurity.
they had a female hockey soccer team too, and the guys, and the women kind of like fell in love with each other.
I don't know.
It's the same movie.
Is that
the guys fell in love with each other?
No, it was like in the homeless tournament, it was a female division and a male division.
Yes. Yeah. I think.
And one of them were dating each other.
I think that was perfect. That's a good movie.
Yeah.
It's the Homeless World Cup.
Oh, the homeless World Cup. One guy can't have like a bad disposition.
And the name was.
And they kicked him off, and then he wound up helping these. I think it was a league from like Africa or something. He joined forces with them.
Yeah.
Yeah.
The name of it was the beautiful game.
Okay.
That's the name of the movie. That's it.
Are you still building the soccer stadium?
Yeah.
It's going to be on Michigan Avenue. That Corktown area gonna be on fire. Have any of y'all been in the new Michigan train? That's the new Michigan train station?
I haven't.
I gotta go over here.
I know Miss Harris has been down there.
You been down there, Miss Harris?
Been where?
To the Michigan train station?
No, I haven't. I was gonna go to Barrister's Ball and I didn't go. So haven't been there.
That's what I see. I spoke to some.
Oh, the Barrister's Ball was there this year?
It was there.
Oh, that'd be nice.
Oh,
I didn't go either.
But they say you can just walk in. They gotta go to study area. You can sit and study and read.
I've been down to the park in front of the park.
I have to. I'm always over in that area. They got this little coffee shop up there called Hayes. It's like a like coffee place.
It's a nice little coffee shop right there on Woodward, and I think that's Mac.
You said Woodward and Mac coffee spot? Oh, right there on the corner. They try on the old Starbucks.
It's better.
It's better than Starbucks. The little place called Hayes is really good too.
They food is expensive though. I think they sent out what a sandwich in there was like $11.
So everything is high.
I was like, shit, it was good though. I ain't gonna lie.
It's good.
Really good.
My sister kept having me go to this place called Parlay.
I heard about
That's,
that.
I heard that's the football player.
I heard about that too.
Jock, the running back,
What is it? Quay.
Quay, yeah.
He tried to talk to me, and I got all smart. Sorry, me on my own restaurant.
He's the one that would play for running back for Wayne State.
I own this restaurant.
No,
it didn't. You know what I'm saying?
You're just saying how much, it's like you messed up.
I messed that up. Messed up. He seems like he worked there.
He too young for you, ain't
I can 45.
he? Ain't no 45. He is 30. Early 30.
I don't even believe you said he got a job in a restaurant. He's too young.
And he owns.
We are living young.
Something healthy. They got whole soul food downstairs.
Yeah, y'all want to be messing up days.
How you doing?
Good, how are you?
His name is French or something.
Hi there.
What's his last name? He's running back for the Lions, right? Yeah. His mouth is just told her she messed
Messed that up. I was like, why do you keep asking me? I was like, do you work here?
Oh, my goodness.
He was like, no.
There's a lot of people down there during the daytime.
Oh, they got some good pizza though. They got this one pizza costs about $40 and all this seafood on it. It's real.
That's pizza Pebbles.
No, I don't never like that pizza. It's one was too big. This is from yesterday.
It's 15.
Yeah.
So what
Here,
pizza place?
This is
What
from
pizza
yesterday.
Parlay is a restaurant. I don't think it's an actual pizza place. Is it a gambling place?
I don't know. They said there's some little room down in the basement. You can go down there. I don't know.
Somebody was telling me about that the other day. Like during happy hour, it's really big.
Oh, doing happy hour?
Yeah.
I have to go back over there. It's nice though. I think
Go.
No, I'm not. I'm not going. I totally messed that up.
The owner tried to talk to me.
He probably look at me and be like, for real, you back here?
She went.
Asking me questions. Cause he had some strange looking clothes, but you know, I was like,
Yeah, these people don't even know who they are.
he had on like
He's a
shorts.
millionaire.
He had on like shorts and stuff with some little tight things underneath them. And I was like, what are you doing?
Oh, my goodness.
I know. I said.
Let's go back on the record. Oh, hold on. Let's go back on the record with Ms. Lohman. Ms. Lohman, I'll give you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, my client would avail himself of the people's offer to enter a plea to blockading for disregarding a traffic signal and the seatbelt charge. The insurance matter to be dismissed.
You want to take the deal, Ms. Lohman?
Yes.
Stipulate to the face of the ticket as an accurate factual basis for that responsible clearing the clients we have.
So stipulated, Your Honor.
Stipulate the probable cause for the dismissal of the other matter.
Yes, Your Honor. So stipulated.
All right. With that, find your client responsible as to the amended count of blocking traffic, $175, and add charge to the failure to wear a seatbelt. I'm gonna give you a break this time, ma'am. Put your seatbelt on next time. I'm not gonna charge you to 65, and we'll dismiss the other matter. 175. When can you pay it?
In 2 weeks.
October the 7th, 2025. Pay it at any DivDat kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload the DivDat app to your phone, or you can come on down to the courthouse and pay it in person. Those are the two best ways I can tell you to pay it. You owe some other matters on some old tickets as well, man. You seem shocked.
Yeah, yeah.
Old blocking traffic, you owe 215 on, and just improper display of plate, you owe 126 on. All right?
All right.
Well, best of luck to you. Have a very good rest of